ultimate guide to Roblox for mobile users. Hey guys, it's me Rasthro, and today I'm going to show you the ultimate guide to Roblox. So yeah, as you can see, I have Roblox here. Right here it is. But yeah, if you haven't download it. Let me show you. If you have an Android, you have to download it from the Google Play Store. If you are an iOS user, you have to download it from the App Store. I'm using iPhone, so I'll download it from the App Store. Go to your Play Store, App Store, whatever, and search Roblox, and then if you are in your App Store, click on that cloud and the download logo, whatever it is, the blue thing. And if you are in Play Store, click on the Roblox icon and click on install, like that. And when it completes, please click on open, and then there we go. We have Roblox here. So yeah, if you want, if this is the first time you're playing Roblox, click on sign up. If you if you have a Roblox account, click on login. If you don't know how to sign up, then I will sign up for you. Choose date. How? Choose 2012. I mean 2013, where Flappy Bird was really popular. The game, whatever it is. Birthday. When I choose Roblox mobile tutorials. Oh yeah. Roblox. Yeah. There we go. We got signed up. We're ready. My Roblox account is ready. Yay. Let's say password here. And then here we go. You have Roblox. You can play any games you want. Whatever. For this video, I'm using iPhone SE second generation with iOS 15. So yeah, if your eyes is like burning, like if you are sick of the light mode, you can actually set to dark mode. Here's how. Click on this button. Like, click on. You'll find scroll down to the settings. You'll find this button. Click on settings. Click on account info. Click on. You'll see themes. Click on that and click on dark and click on save, and then you successfully saved. Now let's play some games. So yeah, you can click back on home, or I mean click on this game where you find tons of most popular games by overrated developers. For example, I will be playing Brookhaven. Once you pick your game, you click on this play. Then your game loads. So my game is loading. There we go. Finally loaded. Yeah. So yeah, you can do whatever you want. What's wrong? I think I saw that. Settings. Once again, guys. Okay, I'm back, guys. So I reset the session, and then now it's working fine. The session got a little struckness, I'm not actually using an iPhone. I'm just using it from a remote connection. and it's from a cool website named Kobiton and everything. Whatever it is, you won't understand how to sign up for that website, so let's ignore this. So if you want to chat, click on this icon and click and tap here to chat, and then say hello, hi, whatever. So I'm gonna type this. There we go, I chatted something. You can even make friends. Let me show you how to make friends. Friends. But my video is getting too long, so I will show you later. Anyways, thanks for watching and bye, Rasthro.